What's up, everybody? This video is for cosplayers and anybody looking to get into cosplay. I'm here to show you the absolute best cosplay resource there is. This resource has collections of cosplay supplies and cosplay resources on it that every single cosplayer can benefit from. So without further ado, let me show you this super awesome cosplay resource. Let's get into it. So what you're seeing right here is called the Cosplay Hub. The Cosplay Hub is actually something of my own creation. I really wanted to make this a place where I can just compile lists of cosplay supplies, so everything is in a one-stop shop type of style, as well as compiling a bunch of different cosplay resources and tutorials for anybody looking to learn new techniques or just looking to get into cosplay in general. On the homepage here, you actually see 4 different tiles. First one is the comprehensive list of cosplay supplies, then there's the resources and tutorials for different cosplays and cosplay techniques, then of course we have an about section, and this last tile here connects to a contact form where anybody can submit requests of things to add to the Cosplay Hub. This is in no way, shape, or form completely comprehensive of everything out there. Like, I'm still looking to add things to it. So honestly, if you guys want to submit things that you use in your cosplays in this cosplay form, I would love to see it, and I'd love to get these things added to the website. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the comprehensive list of cosplay supplies. Once we get on this page, you can see there's a drop-down list of a bunch of different categories, ranging from EVA foam to 3D printing to sewing to painting, all the essentials for cosplayers. And if I just kind of scroll down through here, you can see that there is a lot of different stuff. And I do want to let you all know that most of these links, not all of them, but most of them, are Amazon associate links, so they actually help me out. They give me a little, like, mini commission off of a lot of these links if somebody buys some of these products. It doesn't cost anybody anything extra, but it does help me out a lot. But as you can see, there is a fairly comprehensive list of different cosplay supplies that you would need for pretty much anything at this point. I'm always looking to expand this list. I'm always looking to add things to different categories in this list. But right now, there is a lot in there, and I am super excited to share it with all of you. If we go up to the top here over to Cosplay Resources, I've linked a bunch of YouTube videos, a bunch of tutorial videos for foam crafting, for implementing animated LEDs into your cosplays, for sewing, and for streaming. And actually, I'm gonna do a little bit of a plug here. If you look into these LEDs and animated LEDs tutorial section, you might see one of my videos in there. I've got a couple of mine in here. But if you want to learn how I make all of my LED circuits and program all of my animated LEDs for my cosplays, you can check out that video right off of the Cosplay Hub, and I'll leave it at the end of the video, so definitely be sure to check that out. Now, I also have a tab on this website called Canary's Creations. This is where I'm going to be posting all of my patterns and tutorials for all of my builds that I'm going to be doing on my YouTube channel. So if you want to access the patterns for anything, you can find them for free on the Cosplay Hub. And I've gone ahead and just linked them with the videos that they correspond to. So that way everything's all in one place, it's easy to pair it up, and to follow along with the tutorials. Now, the About page isn't super important, but it does have a little bit of insight into how I came up with the idea of the Cosplay Hub and where I want it to go, and it also has just a little bit about me as well. Lastly, though, we have the contact page. So the contact page is literally just a Google form where you can submit anything, just from business inquiries, general questions, but I have this option here that says add something to the website. I would love to hear what else you guys want to see on the Cosplay Hub, and I would love to get it added into the Cosplay Hub. But yeah, that was just a brief rundown on what I think is the best cosplay resource out there right now. I've put a ton of time and energy into building this website and compiling those supply and resource lists, and I really hope that this is going to help every single one of you guys out. So yeah, the next time that you need cosplay supplies, just check out the Cosplay Hub. I've got it linked down in the description below, and also be sure to check out my animated LEDs tutorial after this. I hope you enjoyed this video and getting a little bit of a sneak peek at the Cosplay Hub. It's available right now. Please check it out, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is free and it helps me out a ton. And if you want to see me make all of my cosplays live, I go live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern. The link to my Twitch which is also in the description below. And I really hope to see some of you guys over there. But I hope you guys get a ton of use out of the Cosplay Hub. And I will see you guys in the next video.